Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of the 30 days 30 discipline with the innovator, where we'll be exploring 30 different engineering disciplines. And today we'll be talking about agricultural engineering. And live here with me I have one of FUTIA agricultural students, Cecilia. May we meet you please?
My name is Cecilia Patrick and I am a student of agriculture.
Alright Cecilia, welcome to the Innovators 30 Days 30 Discipline. And then first and foremost, I want to say a big thank you for honoring my invitation here. How do you feel coming live here on the studio?
It's nice to talk about my field, and I'm very grateful for the opportunity to do that.
Alright, I've been following you for a while now on your WhatsApp status and all of that, and oftentimes you keep posting about agriculture. So when I embarked on this journey, I was like, who is that person that, will I say what they love to come here? And it just came into my mind because of how much love you really shown about agriculture. So what inspired you to study agriculture? Have you ever always wanted to become an agricultural student?
I won't say I've always wanted to become an agriculture student, though I had something in mind, but as I was growing, I discovered that my love, my passion and everything was about agriculture. So I had to change my field, and I'm glad I did.
Alright, so we're talking about agriculture engineering and not really agriculture. Can you really tell us what's the difference between these two fields, agriculture as a whole and agriculture engineering, just in a layman understanding?
Okay, agriculture engineering is about the engineering aspect of agriculture.
Okay, that's like the designs and development of those machines, testing them. Alright, how about agriculture?
Agriculture is about, it consists of everything, like the planting, the harvesting.
Okay. Down to training of livestock and all of that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you studying this course?
100/10.
So moving on, what has been like your biggest inspiration so far on this journey?
My biggest inspiration so far has been once a president, Obasanjo.
Okay. So have you ever been to his farm?
Yes, once. The one at Ogun State.
Okay, that's Operation Feed the Nation or so, something like that. Otta Farm, I think I know about it. Okay, so at what point did you decide to come to FUTIA to study agriculture? Because it's a new school, obviously.
Yes, I know it's actually a new school. Though FUTIA was not even my first choice when I wanted in agriculture. So the school I applied for, it took like ages for them to accept me. So I had to switch over to FUTIA to do agriculture, and it was worth it.
Sorry, how many times did you write JAMB actually?
I wrote JAMB twice.
Twice. The 2 times you were putting agriculture.
Yes.
So what was your first school, the last time you wrote?
The last time I wrote, it was ASU.
Akwa Ibom State University?
Yes.
Okay, now that you are studying agriculture, now what is that one thing you want to achieve in this course upon graduation?
I just want to know the basic things in agriculture. I just want to be more advanced. Maybe I've known some things already now, but I just want to gain more knowledge and know what I'll be going out there to do.
Okay, but I'll be honest with you, looking at you from head to toe, like for real, you don't look like one that will be good on hoe and progress on the farm.
Fine, everyone thinks that agriculture is about cutlass and hoes, but that's very, very wrong. That's very, very wrong.
If you are to invest in agriculture, what part of agriculture will you go? Will you go into livestock or you go into farming?
I'm going to the both of them.
You're going to the both of them? You have to choose one the more.
I'm going to farming.
Farming?
Yes.
Alright, give a shout out to somebody that has been supporting you so far, the journey.
My dad is my biggest fan.
The biggest fan. Alright, so thank you very much once again for honoring my invitation. I am very pleased to have you here. Okay.
I'm very, very happy to be here.
Still on this 30 days 30 discipline, I have here with me one of my boss here in the Federal University of Technology, Ikot-Abasi, Gabriel Udo. Please, may we meet you, please? What's your name?
My name is Gabriel Udo.
Briefly, kindly introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Gabriel Udo, student of Federal University of Technology, Ikot-Abasi, Futia. I'm a forex tutor, forex trader, and I'm also a graphic designer. Also, I'm studying web development, yes, due to my field of study, computer science.
All right, thank you very much, Gabriel Udo. Thank you for honoring my invitation to come and make a presence on this show, 30 Days, 30 Discipline. So earlier today we had Cecilia who spoke about agriculture. Now we're going to be talking about the engineering part of agriculture. So the floor is all yours now.
Okay, speaking about agricultural engineering, well, this is where Nigeria falls short. So agricultural engineering is not all about planting and growing crops. No. You see, the way the educational system is, they are still stuck because many institutions offering this agricultural engineering are still stuck in the past outdated laboratories, broken down machines, and barely any funding. Yes, so students are being taught using textbooks other than the GSM era, which is very bad, and it's also a huge disservice to this field that's supposed to, develop
it's supposed to be
the
more
nation's,
practical.
yes.
Okay, what exactly do agriculture engineers do?
Well, agricultural engineers, they make use of cutting-edge satellite systems, designing climate weather control systems, and also they create drones that they can use to plant seeds with precision.
Okay.
But here in Nigeria, is vice versa. It's different. They only reduce us to glorified farmers that make use of only hoes and cutlass and a bit of tractors, which is very, very bad, and it's wrong for this kind of field that should be, developing the nation's development.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you think is the future, considering the way everything is going now here in this country? What do you think is the future of this course?
Well, the way the youth see it as, they see it as a field of study that if you go into agricultural engineering, what you might end up, yes, you end up in the farm. No, that mindset needs to change. That mindset needs to change because it's not done in developed countries. It's not done like that way. So that mindset needs to change. That agricultural engineering, you have to. They make use of investment machines. Yes.
They're supposed to be thinking of how to develop.
Yes.
Systems to aid agriculture.
Yes. Not only going to the farm and plant and all that.
Yeah. I mean, it was people that sat down and thought about the creation of a medical tractor which is being used and all of that. So agriculture engineers, they are much more expected from them.
Yes.
So in a nutshell, with the way this is going, 10 years, this course is not promising, except the government decides to look into this critically, right? From everything you've said so far. Thank you very much, Gabriel Udo, for throwing more light on this. And this is going to be a kind of a video that's going to be like exposing, or you understand, revealing to people what they really do not know about agriculture and agriculture engineering. Do you have anything else you have to share with my viewers?
Okay, hello viewers, welcome to the Innovators TV. Well, to wrap it up, those of you that may think agriculture engineering is just about going to the farm to plant and then yield crops, no. It's about using machines to make investment in the agriculture industry. Yes, it's not all about using hoes and cutlasses. So I want you guys to change your mindset about agriculture engineering and then try to study this field so that it can help in the nation's development. Thank you. And also subscribe to the Innovators TV. Thank you.
All right. Of course, ever since I've always known you, you are one person that you're always passionate about aspirant. So I wanted to pass a message to Futia aspirant. Those of you that want to come and study in Futia, you want to study biochemistry, you want to study any engineering field, you want to study any computer, let him just talk to you, please, briefly.
Okay. For those of you who are willing to study in Federal University of Technology, Ikot-Abasi, Futia, well, a brief message for you people. You people should just study hard, pass well, read read your books, because the admission process is not just know me, I know you. It's not a connection, this thing. It's
Strictly
merit
by
based.
merit.
It's merit based, this thing. So you have to study well and also read well, study hard, be patient, and also do not meet anyone for any admission guarantee, because admission in future is not connection. Like I said, it's not connection, it's merit based. So if you have good results, you have a good jam results, and you have a good cutoff mark, you are good to go, because it's a school of science and technology. So it's not a school of
Not a normal
or carpentry. No. It's science and technology. So they will need good grades, yes, to admit aspirants or students who are willing to study in the Federal University of Technology, Ikot Abasi, Futia.
Thank you very much, Gabriel Odo. And again, we have something also for you guys. The link is going to be in the comment section of this video. Yeah, you want to come to Futia, use the comment section and join I and Gabriel Odo on WhatsApp. We have a 2025-2026 aspirant group. And guess what? There's going to be an orientation program in that group coming up next month. That is August. So we're going to be having an orientation program. We'll be telling you everything you need to know once you gain admission to Federal University of Technology, Ikot Abasi. And hopefully by then the form will be out and they will tell you how to go about it, processing, and make sure that with your good grades you are able to secure yourself into this prestigious university of ours. As you can see, the weather is disturbing, and then we have to put it here. We'll be ending today's session here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, all at Innovators. See you tomorrow. We'll be talking about automobile engineering, and it's going to be very fun, as I'll be having one of my boss, Taverina, Imo, coming here on this channel, you understand, to come and tell us all we need to know about automobile engineering. I told you guys before we started this that this series is going to be a blast. We're going to be having guest upon guest upon guest. So today, peace and love.
Built in the future, lighting the flame.